Hi, it's Lorna here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use micro ring hair extensions to add some colour to your hair. I hope you enjoy. When applying the micro rings, make sure you gather enough hair to support the hair extensions. Also, the micro ring is applied flat to the head. Don't do it too tight, you don't want any pressure on the roots. I've only applied one row and scattered the hair extensions in this video. You can actually put them close together and add as many as you like. Stay at least 1 inch away from the hairline. The more hair you apply, the more the colour will stand out. The colour shows best, especially if you have it curled. Hope you enjoyed the video and picked up some new tricks.